Hello and welcome back to GreenPro. This is just a quick video to take you through our latest feature, which is the document bank. You might have already seen it as it's been live for a couple of days, but we thought we'd do a quick guidance video just to help you use it properly. So the document bank is for any documents you'd like to store within projects that you would use on a job-by-job basis, but that don't require editing. So don't require you to download them with a new address, new customer details, and so on. So if you click into Document Bank, what you can do is basically just upload any kind of document that you would use regularly. This is things like manufacturers' data sheets, operations and maintenance manuals for any products that you use regularly, things like your consumer code leaflet, even up to things like signed subcontractor agreement forms, any insurance certificates maybe that you'd want to use, things like the PV shading and maintenance. Anything that is the same, including if you'd like to download things like your workmanship warranty, make sure that has the 2 years or 5 years or whatever it is you add. That never usually needs updating further than that. So you could keep a copy in your document bank and just assign it to each project as you go. So for example, if I put in something like my consumer code leaflet, you can categorize it or you can leave it uncategorized. So we have certain categories. You can use other if something isn't particularly fits the right category for you here. But for me, I'm going to add that as leaflet. Going to browse. This obviously isn't a consumer code leaflet, but just for demonstration purposes. Upload that, and then that sits in your document bank ready for you to use. So when you go to a project and you want to add in something, so you maybe want to upload your consumer code leaflet, you'd go to upload. You can either import from your document bank or upload a new document. So upload is what normally happens. So you'd upload the same thing over and over again. For here, if you just click on import from document bank, you can search for the documents by typing, you can search by category, or because I don't have that many, they just appear in a list. So I'm going to select that from the document and import. And there you can see it's now sat, and I can mark that as complete. This also works for your interactive contract of sale. If you wanted to, you could upload a new document, you can select what's already been there, or you can import from the document bank straight into the interactive contract of sale. Now for this, if you upload a new document, when it sits here, it also gets pulled into the relevant list in the project itself. Exactly the same for the document bank. So if you want to import a document from there, it's the same. I'll just put something else in there for now. You can import documents from there, and now it sits there. And if you see, if I can come out of this, I've now uploaded 2 into here, and you now see that that sits in there now as well. So it's a really simple thing, but we hope it'll save you some time. And from re-uploading the same documents time and time again. It is live now, so you can use it. I think we've seen some people are already using it, which is great. But if you have any feedback or anything you think might make it easier, then do just let us know, and we'll be happy to try and implement that. Thanks very much.